Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to start by saying thank you so much for your support. This channel has reached 100 subscribers and I am so thankful and so excited. In today's video, I want to share a super easy recipe for these sandwich cookies. For these, I'll be using 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 egg at room temperature, 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add the softened butter and powdered sugar, and using the paddle attachment, cream together for about 2 minutes. Once the mixture is nice and creamy, make sure to scrape down the bowl and then add the egg and let it mix for about 30 seconds. Add the vanilla extract and let it incorporate for a few seconds. After scraping the bowl down one more time, I'm going to add half of the flour and let it mix at low speed, and then I'm gonna add the other half and let it mix until I don't see any dry flour. Then the mixture is ready. I have laid out plastic wrap on the counter and I'm going to take out the dough, which looks pretty broken, but this is how it should be to get a very tender cookie. And then with the plastic, I'm going to bring it together, cover it, and refrigerate it for about 45 minutes. Once the dough is chilled, I'm going to roll it out. I'm using 2 pieces of parchment paper so I don't have to add additional flour. And I have a couple of guides on the side to roll out the dough evenly. And I'm going to roll it out to about a 1/4 inch thick. So I'm going to cut the cookies with the bigger cutter and I'm going to transfer them into my cookie sheet. Now I'm going to place one baking sheet in the fridge and the other one in the freezer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes in the freezer, these cookies are well chilled, and so I'm ready to use my smaller cookie cutter to cut out the center part. Don't worry if the cookie breaks up a little bit, just put it back together and when they go in the oven, they'll stick back together. Once I finish, I'm going to place this cookie sheet in the refrigerator and then I'm going to turn my oven on to 300 degrees. Once the oven comes to temperature, bake the ones with the cutouts for 15 minutes and the other ones for 18 minutes. Then let them rest in their baking sheet until they're cooled completely. Now I'm going to add the filling. You can use jam of the flavor of your choice, or peanut butter or almond butter or hazelnut spread. For these I chose to do the hearts with strawberry jam and the flowers with hazelnut spread. To finish up the tops, I'm going to lay some parchment paper on the counter, and I have my cookies on a cooling rack. I'm going to use a sieve with some powdered sugar, and I'm just going to sprinkle them until they're fully covered. And then I'm going to assemble the cookies by matching the shapes. And just like that, these cookies are finished. They look so beautiful, and that didn't take a lot of work. And most importantly, they are delicious. They are super soft and tender. They melt in your mouth, and they're very delicate. The combination of jam and the cookie is absolutely delicious. So I thought this could be a good idea to make for Mother's Day. It's simple, but it's beautiful, and I'm very sure she's gonna be very happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.